planner lovelies, how are you guys? I'm doing alright. Let's just say I had a week last week. So I have a Plan With Me design group collab for you guys today, and it is the Seashells kit from NashsPrintWork. And as you guys can see, I do schedule my spreads so that I know what goes where, and I don't buy too many kits, and I was getting close to buying way too many fall kits at this point. So really quick, we have this page with little starfish checklists and full boxes, headers, some deco, and a weekend banner. Full checklist, half boxes, and then some like random headers here with a little deco, and then 2 weeklies, date covers, habit trackers, and bottom washi and deco. So this is going to be a really simple spread. I have a day off this week, thank goodness. But here's a look back at last week using the tropical kit from Formless Designs. And I think it turned out really, really pretty, very bright. I had a birthday party to go to this day for a little 1-year-old. And yeah, it was really fun. I think it came out really, really pretty in the end. So it feels like it took me forever to film this last week too. So I got food poisoning, which I think I filmed this later in the week, so you guys saw that. And then on Thursday, I decided to tumble down the stairs at work and tear up my right ankle. I have a gnarly like 4-inch bruise on the inside of my arm. I hurt the muscles in my left thigh, and yeah, so the swelling went down. I could have went to the doctor, but it was more like a sprain or a ligament kind of thing, and I've done that enough in my life that I know what to do, so that's what I've been doing. Resting it, icing it. I put a brace on it when I'm walking around to kind of help support my weight, and I am taking everything very slowly. So as you can tell, since the 1st of July, I have been having a rough go. So anyway, I do thank you guys for all of your well wishes and everything, because I tell you, sometimes it really does brighten my day. Actually, not sometimes, every time you guys say like, oh, I hope you're feeling better, or, you know, I'm so sorry that happened. It makes me feel so much better, because I feel like the last month and a half has just been one thing after another. Migraines, throwing up my back, getting sick with a cold, then getting food poisoning, and then falling down the stairs at work. Like, it's ridiculous. So I'm over it. Can we just stop now? Whatever I did to make karma mad, let me know what it is so I can fix it. That's not true. I'm just accident prone, let's be honest. So the Erin Condren is getting quite chunky over here and very thin over here. The year is starting to wind down, and I have had a few people ask me what planner I'm going to go with next year. I absolutely love the Erin Condren, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I go back to a happy planner? Should I try the Recollections? Should I try switching to a B6, or should I stick with the Erin Condren? I will be looking at your comments to see what you guys have to say. So anyway, we're going to go ahead and jump into this. I will let you know at the end what other stickers I pull in, because obviously this is a mini kit, so there's going to be more in. And I'll talk to you guys again at the end. So here we go. that was a bit of a struggle. I'm gonna be honest, colors are pretty difficult to match. So I did end up pulling in quite a bit. Let's start over here. This is Healy Designs. This is Loverly Designs, which is no longer open. Tassel Planner. These work labels are, the work stickers are from Formless Designs. The Pay Bills is from Sarah Elizabeth Prince. This is from Lisa Lorraine. This is from Stickerific, Formless, Brianna Nicole Designs, Stickerific, Templates Crafts, Formless Designs, and Lisa Lorraine. I'm trying to pull in this really cool orange color, and it kind of works. So I'm going to see if I can't pull some more in there. But yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Don't forget to check everybody else in the Plan With Me design groups. Plan with me out. And I will talk to you guys again very, very soon. Much love to all of you, and bye for now.